Hello everyone, I am Matrix, as you all know, and today I am going to tell you a very embarrassing story from my life. I named the story the Kota Van. So back then in my Kota days, I was in Akash, and my classes used to get over at 7 p.m. and the classes of LN used to get over at 8 p.m. Now you all might say, why would that concern me? Well, my van driver was a bit oversmart. Most of the people in Kota are oversmart. So my van driver came late one day. So he picked us all from Akash at 7:45 and took us to LA. Now, whenever that van driver used to come and pick me up, my friends used to give me a very special reaction. That was, oh, van aa gayi thi. And that special reaction was for a very particular reason. Because I was the only boy in my van. No other person was a boy. Everyone else was girl. So I usually used to sit in the front of the van for the very same reason. So he came and picked us, and I sat in the front of the van, and he took all of us to LN. Now, when we reached LN, that van driver suggested me, भैया, मैं इस फ्रंट वाली सीट पर 3 लोगों को बिठाने वाला हूँ, तो आपको प्रॉब्लम होगी, तो आप पीछे जाकर बैठ जाओ. Now I thought, yeah, that's a good suggestion. Why should I suffer? So I immediately got down from the front seat, and when I moved from front seat to the back seat, I realized that already 8 people were sitting in the back seat. And when I was realizing this fact, when that 8 people are sitting in the back seat, the front door was open, so 3 girls came and sat in the front seat. And while I was processing both of this data, the van driver came out and opened the dicky, and 4 more people came and sat beside in the dicky. So now the space complexity of the van was 4 in the front, including the driver, 8 here, and 4 at the back. And I was standing outside as a standard pussy. So the van driver came and asked, तो भैया क्या करना है? भैया वैन में मुझे जगह नहीं दिख रही है, तो फिर क्या करें? ये तो आप बताओगे ना. So the van driver, without any hesitation and a second thought, gave a very ridiculous suggestion. आपने ऐसा करो, इनकी गोद में बैठ जाओ. Now, while I was processing this information, कि मैंने कुछ गलत सुना होगा, क्योंकि मुझ हट्टे-कट्टे 16-17 साल के लौंडे को वो किसी लड़की की, पराई लड़की की गोद में बैठने के लिए थोड़ा ना बोलेंगे. So, while I was processing this data, the girl to which the van driver pointed started yapping. मैं नहीं बिठाऊंगी इसको अपनी गोद में, मैं नहीं बिठाऊंगी इसको अपनी गोद में. She was not yapping, she was yelling. मैं नहीं बिठाऊंगी इसको अपनी गोद में, मैं नहीं बिठाऊंगी इसको अपनी गोद में. I said to the girl, मुझे बैठना भी नहीं है भाई तुम्हारी गोद में, पागल हो गई हो क्या? So I said to the van driver, भैया ये सजेशन तो अच्छा नहीं है, तो क्या करना है? Well, no matter what type of girl that was, I must agree that she was a very attentive girl. She was in the same class as I was. So why am I saying that she's an attentive girl? Because whenever a teacher would come in our class, she would say the very one simple single line every time. सर आगे की एसी चल रहा है, सर आगे सारी लड़कियां बैठी है, सर हमें ठंड लग जाएगी, सर एसी बंद कर दो, सर एसी बंद कर दो. सर पीछे बॉयज बैठे हैं, सर पीछे बॉयज को ठंड लगती है, पीछे की एसी चला दो, सर आगे की एसी बंद कर दो. And she would say that every single time. So yeah, I was being made to sit over there. So I said to the van driver, instead the better way to kill myself would be to give an axe, and I would amputate my ass instead of that. The van driver said, तो भैया आप क्या करना है? तो मैंने बोला, भैया आप बताइए क्या करना है? तो yeah, I said that again. So the van driver said, भैया आप छत पर बैठो. मैंने बोला मजाक कर रहे हो क्या? छत पर कैसे बैठूंगा? So he said, तो क्या करना है? मैंने बोला रिक्शा से चले जाता हूँ मैं. तो उन्होंने बोला हाँ ये ठीक रहेगा, आप रिक्शा से चले जाओ।